If you don't like losing but still rage quit every match, then maybe it's time to find a deck that matches your personality. Let's break it down. If you're a cycle deck fan, think Hog 2.6 or Expo. You're basically a speedrunner who drinks way too much energy drink. You value efficiency, crave practice, and yes, we know you can play with your eyes closed. Try hard? Maybe. Committed? Absolutely. Beat down players, Golem, Lavaloon, listen up. You're the chill mastermind, saving up elixir and unleashing chaos like it's a summer blockbuster. Minor chip damage? Never heard of her. You go big, or you go home. Control players, minor poison, graveyard control. You're the chess master. Every move is calculated and you never run out of backup plans. You probably have spreadsheets. For fun. Now, siege players. Mortar mains? You're here for a good time, not a long time. Expo users? I see you getting salty over every log. Competitive much? Spellbait tricksters. You live for the mind games. You're clever, crafty, and love turning your opponent's brain into mashed potatoes. But hey, whatever deck you play, you're part of the Royale crew.